Me say, after these elections, ena yebehu the actual number eya NPP enyano ewa Ashanti mu. Na me kan we ya ebia most of you won't ase me ye nkyeremu bi ama mo ate ase. One say ye to aba bia wi atimi ba say MPP anya 2.11 million vote, 1.11 million vote. This year NDC for ama ya ate ase say e fan eye rigging. NDC amanyokuo no ama ya ate ase say e fan eye nwiamu. Wo mo twagum. Na this year wo mo ni da hopa nti sene ya meta kan say NDC be win election where they need to be vigilant. And wo mo kire say wo mo ani akọ Ashanti region hu pa yi. And this year no ye behu so want man twanguma ye behu the actual number of votes, the real number of votes eya NPP enya ewa Ashanti mu. Enti Richard Jakpa kasa anopa we medini nsem bi ebrel na wasan kasa bio. Na this time around ni o kan mi san wo another story I misan ebe ya kire Richard Jakpa ensemnie. Ashanti region ballot papers are safe and protected 247 Richard Jakpa. Richard Jakpa actually say the papers ni free and Krayeye Ghana hinkuru e distribute here. Every party a one agent. Until Richard Jakpa say, ye the papers ni free cry hide ko Kumasi no. Onu ye den e di achire etina mubi e ma ye de koye. Na baby a ye the ballot papers no koye no. Baby a ye the papers no e koko see ye no. Or you very sure say it is a very secured place. Yes, baby a the a very secured place a police for ebe den ebe bomb di ahwe so. Into all catch the NDC members ni NDC for nyina say Ashanti region ballot papers no modi koye no it is safe, nobody should think about it or no ye in charge of the security the afi way any plan their MPP plan bia no or no people like Jakpa be ginam ama rigging enkoso this year na answer na meko the next issue no so no me gina say mo na catch Richard Jakpa na NDC for say omunya adwuma but they shouldn't be too much comfortable. They shouldn't be too much comfortable. Even in football, yet me bo match a nipa be 2 goals. Now, other team now show mono. At the 10 minutes, at the second, in last minute or the 10 minutes, bet second no as so nobody should relax until the final results are out. Near what John Muhammad said, he is the president-elect. That is the only time we relax. Don't say the papers are secured, and because of that, you are assuring the NDC youth or NDC people to relax. No, you people still need to be vigilant. Messi, send here this year NDC for my year serious no 2020 my year serious and come on lose election no. Ghana for etwa ba manipulation 1 or 2 BT. Because there's no serious country at ECB declare election like more than 4 times. Na ya tina kronum na ya bo obi din say we president. E bi nsi we any country. This 2020, send your my vigilant and they are more exposing ni amano. Say ka mu ye vigilant sa anka ka election mu lusu ye ka by now John Mahama wa wie no 4 years okrampo another person abe take over. I'm telling you. But the mistake you guys did was that you relaxed too much because Moon said 2016 Abana na Mutiswaya 2 year the same way never. Meanwhile NPP for now handles Adiano. First in the history, Nana Dobeya president. The first general election you conducting under regime. No watch as president, you kunipa 8 and see baby. Said 2020 we a bit percent ekoswa. You guys must be vigilant. Protect every Ghanaian vote because Ghana for the year to me be mamu. But it is up to you say mo be bo more than so 2 in mu ye. Yes sir. This criminals and so mu biwa Ghana is done. So you guys shouldn't sit there and even say it is done deal. It's not done deal. Work more hard. Now Shadie. Jakpa at the warning ama Wontumi. Eya na metabisa said then to the MPP for choose Wontumi as omo chairman. Not knowing say Ewa Juma yedi ashe Wontumi nsema oye wa Ashanti region ho. Jakpa said we are dismantling Wontumi's machinery for manipulating Ashanti votes. Richard Jakpa said, na say the Richard Jakpa ejini humi now. Or say Chairman Wontumi ewa Ashanti region nyina no ade a oye nyina no say ono na lead manfo ema omo form manipulating manfo vote ema no kwa MPP mu. Na this year ono Jakpa ema ne nkoso. What you say? It is alleged that Chairman Wontumi or Ashanti region plan is election way or be bribe wo NDC polling agent. Muntiem ye. Enya NDC polling agent krampo. Yes, easy for no be kan. Your easy agent a mu hwa abato no so. Ewo NDC ni MPP so dia omunsu monitor mo parties. And according to Richard Jakpa no, asema all can say NDC polling agent no more on it is Wontumi's plans over bribe 5,000, 6,000, 10,000. That is the money Richard Jakpa then allege. But on Richard Jakpa say omo NDC font na say emma sa de ne nyere enkoso nti say Wontumi a plan say what the sika ebe manipulate e bia eye den asesa manfo agi adwin aye niama bi a on relax ensi da. And this reminds me, say, NDC for this election, and you'll be a keke, and I'm moving as polling station agent. One Kasamu in your NDC, more executives nibi, or more enemies of the party. More executives nibi, mean your mundi. Some of them, ye chafu for similar mumino, a mino mundi. Mimbo biadi nam say, Richard Jakpa, muntiem ye, mu NDC party. Some of them are very corrupt. National executives libi mimbodi. But say omubi etemia omuni mu national executives libi no. Some of them are very corrupt. Well, they can take information out from the NDC and sell it out. Some of them are enjoying opposition. I'm telling you, mu national executive libi omu NDC no. They are enjoying the opposition. Ebinum say NDC ba power crowd munya skati say NDC wo opposition no. I'm telling you. And the national executives need be crowd. Some of them 4 or 5 be they are very dangerous. They are diabolic. Don't sound microphone. Don't even trust them. Talk less of Obia Muyin as police station agent. Look for competent people. Chairman Minister. Lose now, lose it 2020 no. Ebi free agent no ho, ebi free coalition centers microphone amodi o mobile no. And ebi so free mu national executives ni bi. NDC for mu ka hu bi. Some of you can na mu downfall AC 2020. You don't just trust anybody because so the competent person obi owo Ghana hu do. E person the party ne ba power NDC a onkonko diska as agent e ma ye manipulate. So it is up to you to look for the person obetima ya adwuma no frinchim without any corruption inside. And see, munya very vigilant. Not even only polling agents. Some of national executives know or muye diabolic. If you guys know what they are doing behind your back, you run away. And these national executives know or muye diabolic. They are just in the party. It's their stomach. They will go to the stage and campaign for JM, but deep down, they betrayed John Mahama. Timunya very careful with some of them. You know some of them. They are very diabolic. I'm telling you. And see, that is Richard Jakpa.